spot. The last man standing with the title wins. I'm not 100% sure. I guess we'll be surprised as everybody else.
Okay, so it's kind of an invitational to secret.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so the match is starting off with Jay versus Jay.
There we go.
Jay Copeland versus Hurricane Jay. Starting in the locker. Starting in the locker. Just that.
I'm sorry. I was taking care of some personal issues. Back in the locker. Oh! Hurricane Jay showing his strength early. Taking down Jay Copeland.
Jay Copeland came out of here a lot earlier than was talking a little bit about the UCWF saying they have too many people. That's what I didn't understand. I mean, I wish you guys get everything you say. I can go know.
I can't believe he's doing this to me.
I'm trying. I don't know exactly what a real man looks like. Come on, punk.
Look at this.
Real man.
The one thing I do know about Jay Copeland is he had surgery not many months ago on his knee.
On a knee, yes. I heard about that too.
He couldn't know if that's gonna.
And meniscus damage is what I heard. It's a very, very, very painful surgery. And he gets extremely hard to talk.
Oh, now he's working the left leg and the left knee of Hurricane Jay there.
Who knows? Maybe he wants to put some of that more.
Wants people to feel what he felt.
That is very possible. That was a very intelligent line from language. Ruggiero.
Thank you. Get it right, please. Oh, stepping back on my right.
What I feel like. I apologize if I do nuke your name. I'm going to call you because it's not about the news. It's about Mario Wolf commentating.
No, it's about the action that's going on in the ring right now.
That's exactly what I was about.
What does Jay Copeland have in mind here? Oh, reversed by Hurricane Jay. Oh, stomp it in the chest. Oh, straight right hands to the face of Jay Copeland. Oh my God.
Did your response taking out Joey Guns?
Oh, neck breaker there. 1, 2, and a kick out by Jay Copeland. Is that who I think it is? As Hurricane Jay is choking. I don't know. I don't know. But Hurricane Jay with a big slam taking down Jay Copeland.
I'm just gonna be honest with this music creeps me the hell out. Come on, let's see it.
I don't like the sound of this music. But we have a match going on in the ring here. A series of elbows there by Hurricane Jay on Jay Copeland.
Hurricane Jay he's still up there. He's still doing very, very well.
Hurricane Jay, I believe, yes, he is undefeated here in NLU.
Without a doubt, this is Malice.
Why is Malice? Oh my God. Is Malice in the Gauntlet match right now? And a suplex there by Hurricane Jay.
Assaulted by Malice.
Wait a minute.
Jay.
Wait, the ref's calling for an injury here.
Jay. No, I don't think so. Jay.
I don't know.
Jay's best.
Jay's going for the finish here. Impossible injury. Well, oh, look at this. He's going for the Fury. He's going for the Fury. It's got to be in here. Oh, what is this?
Reverse DDT, maybe? I don't know.
Oh, Jay reversed that.
I think there is actually something wrong with Mr. Jay Copeland. I think he's not.
Oh, roll up here. 1, 2, 3, and Hurricane Jay. You had to use the ropes. Oh.
Hurricane Jay might not realize it, but he's got an opponent still.
Hurricane Jay's got to realize Malice's demon just hit again. Hurricane Jay advances.
Hurricane Jay advances, but he's got one more opponent. His opponent. Next opponent is Malphas Malice. The man who severely just injured Hazard. Come on.
And here we go. Hurricane Jay trying to take out his Fury against just possibly ended the career of Hazard, and that Hurricane J wants some revenge right now.
Malphas Malice, the master of the monster, the winner of the last monster, the man possibly hospitalized.
What is this? Malice of Wonderland!
Again!
Oh, knock it out, Hurricane J!
Malice is the
Will that be it?
Malice,
1, 2, 3, it's over!
Malice is the new heavyweight champion.
Here's your winner and the new NLU heavyweight champion, Malphas Malice.
Took down another member of the UCWF. Ripped a member.
Let's get one to do. That was Hurricane J's first loss.
You're right. I didn't think
That was his first loss. He's pissed. He wanted to win the heavyweight title here tonight, and he could not get the job done. Malphas Malice. We got people checking on Jay Copeland, who seems to be hurt.
I think Malice's victory is
A little bittersweet here.
Jay Copeland might actually be injured. I think Malice doesn't actually care. I think Malice is getting the belt. Malice not truly caring about the belt. Malice just sending a message to the UCWF.
We run it. We always run it.
You gotta feel for Jay Copeland. He just came out of surgery a few months ago. He came back into the ring. Maybe he wasn't ready. Maybe he needed a little more time.
I gotta tell you what, we've had a great show here tonight. Collateral Damage, probably one of our best pay-per-views, if not the only pay-per-view we've done.
It's the only pay-per-view, but it has been the best show
It
we've
has
done.
been the best show we've done.
Look, I'm even wearing
Like I
a
said, new champion's crown. New champion's crown. Stop. You understand you're wearing a suit. I'm trying to talk
very
here.
expensive suit. Gladiator. Gladiator.
Joe Della took home both tag team titles. Jimmy Cruz took home the junior heavyweight championship. And then Malphas Malice is your new world heavyweight champion of the NLU.
Did you mention that Malice has hospitalized Hazard most likely? That Hazard may never wrestle in this company again. Last monster standing, Malphas Malice.
Give me my prize.
Ladies and gentlemen, your NLU heavyweight champion, Malphas Malice.